This is the second Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus. This one is in my bedroom here at the beach house. We'll have to ignore all the noise. Yeah. We're down here fixing plumbing issues and stuff like that because of the freeze that nobody was really prepared for. And we just discovered a bit of a waterfall under the house, so we're they're down there prying a panel off the ceiling to see if they can figure out what's leaking. And they're doing it the hard way with crowbars, so that's why all the banging is happening down there. Sounds like they might have got it down. Nope. Definitely, I'll say one thing for this project. It's making some very entertaining noises. This is the speed I keep this on.